So today morning I'm leaving to Gokarna. I can say it's around 322 kilometers from where I'm staying. So it will take roughly about 7 to 8 hours, including the breaks and all. I don't have any idea how the road will be, but I guess it will be 4 lane. So the plan is to take Agumbe Ghat road instead of going what the Google map says. I think so far my bike is performing well. I don't have any issues till now. Now I'm heading towards Sringeri Road. Actually, this is the Chikmagalur Sringeri Road. It's showing like 56 kilometers, but look at the view. Uh, it's full of coffee plantation on both sides. The road is going middle of this plantation. From the map itself, you can see it's full of green. So I think that 56 kilometers will be like this. I always prefer these kind of road than that usual 4 lane highway roads. And I was actually listening to some Yuvan Shankar Raja's music. Man, that man is a legend. He's like the Anirudh for us, for the 90s kids. Inside of Karnataka is very, very beautiful actually. This is a part of Western Ghats, so it's full of greenery, and these places has a resemblance with Kerala villages. You can see lot of rough patches in the road, so I cannot ride faster, but still I am maintaining a good speed. Look at the landscape, it's very similar to Kerala. I'm just planning like that, after completing that Agumbe Ghat, I will have my lunch, then I will proceed. We have reached Agumbe Ghat section. It's showing 203 kilometers from here to Gokarna. And the time is around 12, sharp 12. I will cover 100 more kilometers, then I will have my lunch. So that's a plan. Oh, something stuck. Yes. Yeah, you can see from this map the Ghatpur section will be starting from here. Udupi 54, Mangalore 104, Dharmasthala 110. it's 12, the climate feels like in the morning. Like it's very cold. I expected some rain because Agumbe is known for the rain. Agumbe is also known for cobras. It's also called the land of cobras. Yeah, that was the check post, and that policeman said, "Yeah, you can proceed." What the hell is going on here? Monkeys, dogs, everywhere. I think I have to take one photo. Let's see if I get a clear scenic view. I'll park my bike there and take a photo. This is something similar to Nadagani hairpin bends. It's getting the same vibe. What happened here? Oh, some construction is going on there. So it's only allowing one way traffic. So the Agumbe Ghat section is over. Now I've taken a Kundapura road, Kundapur road. Just Google Map things. It's taking me to, some interior roads. I don't know why it's designed like this, but yeah, this looks amazing. And obviously the climate has been changed. It's becoming too hot now. It's maybe because I'm riding towards the sea. I'm getting too much humid, like I can feel it. Take left. So I just stop here. This is one of the famous beach. I think you guys have seen the reels. I don't remember exact name. Let me check. What was that? I cannot stop here for some, I mean to say, it's quite sunny day, and I'm feeling so much humidity, and there will be dehydration.